Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I've got a drag race for you between two top of the range Audis. Got their top of the range SUV, which is the RSQ8, and then their top of the range sports car, which is of course the R8. And I'm going to race them, see what happens. So this has a 4-litre twin turbo V8 with 600 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque, an 8-speed automatic gearbox with a sort of launch control, 4-wheel drive, and very heavy. Weighs in at 2,300 kilos, so quite a lot then. And it's quite expensive, just over £100,000. It's not as expensive as an R8 though. They're like 130 grand new. That is actually the previous generation car, but it doesn't matter. Same 5.2 litre naturally aspirated V10. That's actually the normal car, but it's had a stage 1 tune on it, so it's got the same performance as the Plus. So 600 horsepower and 580 Newton meters of torque. Of course, it's got quattro all-wheel drive, 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control, and it weighs 1,650 kilos. Now, what's going to happen? Oh, I wonder. But this is the thing, the guy driving that has never been in a CarWow drag race before, so I don't think he's going to be the quickest off the line, whereas me, well guys, you know me. So it's going to be interesting to see if I can beat him off the line and then whether he can reel me back in. We're going to find out. Now before we do, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. That way you won't miss a single video. If you want to follow that guy's Instagram channel, it's in the link below the video, and we're popping up his handle on the screen right now because I can't, for the life of me, remember what it is. I remember mine though, it's at Matt Watson Cars, so follow me there, all right? Good, let's get on with it.
Buying a new car? Head to CarWow to get offers from the UK's top dealers. carwow.co.uk, the car buying comparison site.
Now before we get on with the race, as ever, I'm going to do a quick sound test between the two cars, starting with this big twin-turbo V8. And it's soft limited, 4,000 RPM. Thanks for that, Audi. You're making your cars less and less exciting with each new model. All right, Ben, let's hear your naturally aspirated V10. Do you want to see which is the best? Vote in the comments below to say which one you prefer. I wonder which one you will go for. Will it be this or that? I wonder. Let's just get on with the race. Oh God, it like kind of bogged down, but I did definitely beat him off the line. Is he going to catch me? Hell no. Hello Ben. So you probably want to lift off your brake a little bit earlier because there's usually a delay on one of those gearboxes. So as the hands are up, you need to preempt them going down and then lift off. So I'm going to give you another chance at this because that was just too humiliating.
Appreciate that.
Only one more chance. Got him again. Oh, he's going to catch me. Oh, damn it! Balls. That's what should have happened the first time round.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the R8 completed the standing quarter mile in 11.6 seconds, while the RSQ8 took 12.2 seconds, so it wasn't too far behind. Having said that though, I've actually timed a V10 Plus at 10.8 seconds for the standing quarter mile in a previous race.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The car's in comfort mode, automatic mode for the gearbox. I'm going to count it in when Ben gets level. Get level, Ben. Level, Ben. Ben, level. It's level. Ready then, mate? 3, 2, 1. Floor it. Kick down. Bugger. Slow. Oh, off it goes. Bye, R8. Right, now we're going to do the same thing again. Rolling race from 50 miles an hour. This time though, the cars are in their sportiest settings and manual mode for the gearboxes. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! When I take the gearbox out of it, it's not such a difference. Hardly any turbo lag on this thing actually. Now he's coding it, look at that. And that's 150. Hard on your brakes now, Ben, if you don't want to crash your car off the end of the runway. I think you won that one. You enjoying yourself today?
That was mega. That was mega.
Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. Ben's car is a lot lighter. He's good at staying level, look at that. It's like flying in formation. He could get a job with the red arrows. There's a line. So blooming close. I'm not really sure. I know mine's longer than yours, the car that is. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to get out to look. I don't really want it because it's blooming blowing a gale outside, but let's try. It's all about where the front of your car is. Hopefully I've beaten you because I haven't won anything so far yet. I've got no idea. I have literally no idea. I want to say this one. In fact, I'm just going to say this did win, but really you guys are going to have to let me know in the comments below. It's so blooming close, really hard to tell. It's pretty much neck and neck. You decide. Did the RSQ8 win one? Did it? Let me know in the comments box below. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure you're subscribed to this channel if you're not already, and hit that bell icon, because if you don't, you won't get the notifications, then you might miss some videos, and then, oh my God, what will the world come to? And as ever, please follow us on Instagram, @CarWowCars. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.